Hello students, today I am here to discuss with you how to scramble the letters to form words. So it is one of the repeatedly asked question in the examination, especially in the English language examination. Let us know the meaning of the question, scrambling the letters. Scrambling means moving or rearranging the letters quickly to frame a meaningful word. In examination, you are given some of the letters in a jumbled order. You need to set them or rearrange them in the right manner to make a meaningful words. You have to set all those words in the right sequence to make a meaningful word using the clue given in the examination. Certain points have to remembered before scrambling the words. So points to be remembered before scrambling the words. Before rearranging the words, we must remember certain points in our mind so that we can easily score out marks in this question. Points are: first point, look at the given letters very attentively. We should carefully look at the given jumbled letters. Next thing that you should do is read and comprehend the given clue properly. We should read the given clue very properly and understand it. Then only we are able to rearrange in the letters to make that word which is equivalent to the given clue in the examination. Then scramble the letters based on the clue given. After reading and comprehending the given clue, directly rearrange the letters based on the clue given in the examination. Formed word should match with the clue provided. One thing you should remember, that the word that you frame, that should match with the clue given in the examination. Let us take some of the examples. The word group of letters, jumbled letters, which you get in the examinations will be like this: A, T, R, T, E, F, L. This is a question. They must provide a clue. The clue is price. The clue is price. Now let us find out the answer. So we should scramble these letters in this manner. We should write F first, then L next, A should be attached later, double T and ER. So that becomes flatter. So using the given clue phrase, you can easily rearrange the letters and frame a meaningful word called flatter, which means phrase. Let us move on to next example. The given jumbled words letters are B O U D T. The clue is suspect. So read the clue very carefully and rearrange these letters to frame a word which should match with the given clue suspect. The answer is doubts. So D should be written first, O should be written next, U should be written in the third place, and B and T. That becomes the answer. In this way, you have to rearrange the letters given in the question based on the clue supplied in the examination. Let's have next example. RAGTEDY. These are the jumbled letters provided by the question. Let us look at the clue. The clue is unhappy ending. Now let us rearrange the letters. The rearranged letters are TRAGEDY, that is tragedy, which means unhappy ending. So your formed word should get matched with the given clue in the examination. That should be kept in the mind while solving these kinds of questions. Next jumbled letters are RAGFENMT. The supplied clue is a piece, which means a part. So let us rearrange the letters in a right sequence. So F R A G M E N T. So I have taken these letters from the given question only. So the fragment means a piece. The next question is RAETL. These are the jumbled letters using which you should frame the particular meaningful word based on the given clue. Here is a clue. The clue is careful. You should rearrange the given jumbled letters in the right sequence to make a word which is equivalent to careful in meaning. The word is alert. A L E R T. In this way, you have to rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. The word alert is equivalent to the word careful in meaning. Next jumbled letters are C A C S R I Y T. The given clue is short supply. Rearrange these letters to make a word which should match with the clue short supply. It can be rearranged like this. The letters can be rearranged like this. S C A R C I T Y. It becomes scarcity, which is equivalent to the word short supply in meaning. Next word is YMT. Next group of letters are YMT, SAT, HPEIC. The given clue is unhappy ending. So these letters can be rearranged like this. Sympathetic, SYMPATHETIC, which means unhappy ending. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned how to rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word using the given clue in the examination. So please subscribe and like and share my video if you have enjoyed this video. Leave your feedback in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video.